I don't know what age you are, but at any age you should be thinking about how and when you can live life on your own terms. So what are your pension options? When can you retire? I have to offer a disclaimer. We are not your financial advisors. There is a risk in cryptos and their passive income platforms. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Never deposit more than you can afford to lose. There are no fixed returns, as performance is variable depending on market conditions, but based on average past results, numbers given are approximate expectations. Now, I know that you may already be thinking this is not for me because we mentioned crypto and trading and markets, etc. But bear with me and you'll be glad that you did. It won't take up much of your time and it will make a massive difference in your life. Some people plan for retirement, they scrimp and save for many, many years, hoping that they'll have sufficient to live on comfortably at the age of 60, 65, 70, 75, whenever it may be. Unfortunately, pension plans aren't living up to expectations, and people are finding that when they hit that age that they decided they wanted to retire, they still don't have sufficient funds. I searched the internet for pension calculators and I found them difficult to understand and use and few and far between. But the bottom line is depressing. This is a screenshot from one of them. It's in pounds sterling, but it would apply the same in dollars. And if you had a $100,000 available to deposit for a single life annuity and you're 65 years old, that $100,000 would at best buy you a $7,420 a year income. And if you die before your wife, she would benefit with 50% of that, $3,710 a year to live on without your help and support. And that was the best quote. Here's another quote. This guy's only got $50,000. He's going to pay $200 a month in for the next year because he's only got a year to go to retirement, and his $50,000 is going to buy him a tax-free lump sum of £13,594, followed by a monthly income of £176. That's with a $50,000 pot and $200 a month for 12 months. You may have an occupational pension plan that's going to provide you with some money, but will it really be enough to live in the style that you want, that you desire? So what are the options? Well, until recently, the only other options were risky, very risky. There were people snapping at your heels just after robbing you of any savings that you may have. But now there's something that we've all been waiting for. It's changed the game for everyone. It's Vortic United. It's a totally transparent organization that does what no one else does. It actually shows its trading results on the website. It wins some trades, it loses some trades. But the bottom line is it wins more than it loses due to the expertise of the team and especially the CEO. Vortic United is a legacy passive income platform that provides institutional trading systems accessible to the public. They used advanced order flow trading, on-chain metrics and technical analysis to increase long-term potential and sustainability, along with fully documented proof of trading and even a live trading feed in the back office. The CEO and founder has an impeccable, flawless business record and is an expert and seasoned trader himself of many years in the crypto, forex, gold, platinum, palladium, precious metals and stock market sectors. It allows you to earn hands-free passive income from our CEO's advanced order flow trading, currently ranging from 13 to 38% monthly, with optional compounding portfolios and trading proof. As I said, it has that live trading feed in your back office. Because of all this, the risk assessment is low to medium. There's a risk in everything we do in life. Even crossing the road has a risk involved to it. But most online programs are at best medium and usually very high risk. So what makes Vortic United so exceptional? Well, it's next generation institutional crypto trading systems that are now available for the public. We're a long-term, sustainable legacy passive income platform with real trading. We have advanced order flow trading, on-chain metrics and technical analysis to manage portfolios. One of the most reliable trading methods to cut through the volatility and maintain long-term profitability. You can currently earn from 0.6 to 1.2% daily, 5 days a week for 36 to 46 weeks, or put another way, 13 to 26% monthly for basic portfolio. You can withdraw profits weekly. There is an optional compounding portfolio that returns 1.8% daily, 5 days a week for 32 weeks, or 38% monthly, and you can withdraw profits from that plan at the end of the cycle. And at the end of all these cycles, 80% of capital is returned to you, in addition to all the income you've been allocated over the period. And with that 80% return, you will find that over the period of your contract, your minimum returns will be almost 3 times your deposit. Minimum returns. I want to emphasize we have real proof of trading with full digital and video documentation released by the CEO, and also that live trading feed in the back office. No smoke and mirrors here, folks. The minimum portfolio is just $50 and there is no limit on the maximum that you can deposit. The CEO and founder is public, with established relationship with team leaders, and has a spotless, clean record with years of experience in trading a number of markets even before crypto. He has been sharing his personal trades on his Facebook wall since 2017. It's made for smaller retail investors as well as professional and institutional investors. There is full portfolio management and trading done for you, and regular weekly trading reports to give you full insights into the company's trading operations. There's secure multi-signature cold storage vault to protect deposits. There are private equity accounts available for institutional investors of $100,000 or more. Importantly, there is first-class live customer chat support, and it's designed to be simple, easy, and if you choose to refer, duplicatable. So, if I can show you a way to retire on $5,000 a month in just 34 weeks with no selling or referring, would you be interested? If no, that's fine, and I thank you for your time and wish you all the blessings in life that you wish yourself. But if it's yes, then there's another video below this that shows in detail how you can do this. And when I say this, it's retire on $5,000 a month or more with regular increases in income, keeping you well ahead of inflation, and all within just 34 weeks. No selling, no referring required. You can be happily retired in less than 9 months. Thank you for your time, and God bless.